Okay then, welcome again. My name's Dippin, I'm here at Farmer Plus, and this is your weekly quality payment fix video by Farm Plus. This is for the week 7 and for the week commencing the 30th of January 2017. And today we'll be talking to you about the summary care target, or the summary care record target. You can see that we've done a number of other videos previously, and we would like you to watch those videos prior to watching this particular one. So the purpose of this video is the following. It is the 7th video in the series for quality payments. We want you to achieve the maximum number of points and funding available. And our videos this year are designed to improve the care to your patients and to secure at least £6,400 and perhaps as much as £8,000 if you do everything we've asked you to in these videos. And what we'd like you to do is watch the other videos if you haven't seen them before, and you can see these at www.farmplusltd.co.uk in the news section. We have made a number of assumptions. Okay, so the two assumptions that we've made is what you've done in video 1, which is what you should have registered by now for the summary care record, and you should have at least activated it as well. Now, technically speaking, you will not need to make a record of the number of times you have accessed this service, but we will still like you to record it down. And this reason will become a bit more apparent when you see the rest of the video. So what are we actually aiming for? Let's concentrate first of all on the April 2017 review point. What we're trying to do is demonstrate a total increase in the access to the summary records between the 1st of December 2016 and the 28th of April 2017. And this is compared to the 1st of July 2016 and the 30th of November 2016, the previous 5 months. So what does this really mean in real language? So let's think of it this way. If you accessed your summary care record 30 times between the 1st of July and the 30th of November 2016, then in order to qualify for the April payment, you will need to have accessed it 31 times for the period of the 1st of December 2016 and the 28th of April 2017. As a result of this, you will need to know how many times you've accessed this record. You need to know this figure to ensure that you get the payment and to make sure that you are on track. Once you know what this figure is, what we would like you to do is write it down, and we will soon show you a spreadsheet that we have created which will make this a lot easier for you. In addition to writing down the number of times you should have accessed the record, you need to record the number of times you have accessed the record, and this is you need to continue to monitor the usage. Now, PS&C has stated that there would be a spreadsheet in December 2016 on how many times you have accessed the service. The problem is that we can't find it. So we have put in a request to ask where it is, and as soon as we get that request, we will let you all know. However, each pharmacy should have a privacy officer who should be able to access the information for your pharmacy and be able to pull out the figures that you need. And to give you an idea of what this spreadsheet looks like, this is what it looks like. We will be sending out another video attached to this one to show you how this spreadsheet works and how it can automatically calculate the number of times more that you will need to access the record in order to achieve your payment. Okay, and this is the spreadsheet that members can use to monitor their usage of the summary care record. Now, fill this in as you go along. You should have an amount of data at the moment that you can complete, and the privacy officer in your pharmacy should be able to take this information out and populate it. And it's quite simple really. So let's assume, for example, that you access the summary care record, say 5 times in July, say 7 times in August. You didn't access it in September. you accessed it, say, 4 times in October and maybe, say, three times in November. Okay, it then provides you here with the number of times you should access the record on a month-by-month basis. This is your target. So let's assume, for argument's sake, that you actually access it 3 times in December 2016, that you access, say, maybe once in January, and for some reason you decide to go bananas and access it, say, 12 times in February. This figure here will give you an idea of how many more times you need to access the record in order to hit the quality payment. So let's say, for example, I access it twice again here, and maybe in April I access it another 4 times. It then goes into negative figures, which suggests that you do not need to access it anymore and that you've qualified for the payment. So this spreadsheet is available to all Farm Plus members, and please do make use of it. The link is attached to the email that you've got. So this is the final video for the summary care record. We understand that this is a lot to do in one go, and this is the reason why we strongly suggest that you follow the video series and action each point as it is released to reduce pressure on yourself. It could be worth at least £8,000, so do make most of it. Okay, and as usual, for help and support, contact us at info@farmplusltd.co.uk, or you can phone us on 0208 863 3335, and our web address is www.farmplusltd.co.uk. Non-members can contact us to find more about the benefits of membership, which includes an extensive buying deals, professional support, and social networking events. So that's the end of the video for this week. Please come back next week and we'll have another one for you. See you then. Take care now. Bye.